Chocolat. Chocolat. Now and Then. Finding Neverland. Or Finding Neverland, 370 of 1189, every Oscar-winning film ever, 147 of 277. The top tearjerker movies that make men cry, 711, 1540, the most rewatchable movies. Step Up. More Step Up, 65 of 200, the best teen romance movies, 100 of 103, the very best movie franchises, 293 of 541, the greatest guilty pleasure movies. The Secret Life of Bees. Or The Secret Life of Bees, 110 of 661, the best black movies ever made, ranked 71 of 170, the most utterly depressing movies ever made, 13 of 130, the 25 plus best movies for black women. Moulin Rouge. Or Moulin Rouge, 31189, every Oscar-winning film ever, 102 of 277, the top tearjerker movies that make men cry, 102 of 206, musical movies with the best songs. Top Gun. Rocky. Or Rocky, 20 of 46 movies that won Best Picture at the Oscars and Golden Globes, 85 of 408, the greatest movies for guys, 37 of 553, the greatest epic movies ever made. The Notebook. More The Notebook, 15 cheesy details reminding us why we still love The Notebook, 21 of 277, the top tearjerker movies that make men cry, 15 of 200, the best teen romance movies. The Lord of the Rings film trilogy. Or The Lord of the Rings film trilogy, 21 small but poignant details Lord of the Rings fans noticed about the trilogy, 6 of 369, the best movies based on books, 22 of 1540, the most rewatchable movies. The Great Gatsby. Or The Great Gatsby, 176 of 1189, every Oscar-winning film ever, 406 of 836, the greatest chick flicks ever made, 71 of 97, the best movies to watch on mushrooms. The Shawshank Redemption. More The Shawshank Redemption, behind the scenes of The Shawshank Redemption and the making of an unlikely classic, 80 of 480, the greatest movies for guys, 26 of 553, the greatest epic movies ever made.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.